Hi, everybody. It's time for you and Kimoti. Uh, Today, we would like to present you about vibe coding. From today, the next week, next week, we provide 4 times the vibe coding series. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
you are already survey what vibe coding is and make presentation material. You are already
Mm-hmm.
ready to start?
Yes, Kimoto-san.
Okay, getting start.
So, very good morning, everyone, and welcome to Yuva and Kimoto's weekly Sunday Life. So, in this series, we talk about the latest AI topics so you can stay updated with the latest AI trends. And also, you can join our Discord group for free. So, we share weekly AI topics and updates there. I will drop the link in the comments now. Okay. Yes, so today I'm going to show you something called vibe coding. Yes, so this vibe coding, how to build a working application without writing a single line of code. So what is vibe coding? Vibe coding means um, we telling AI you that actually telling AI what you want in plain language, and it actually builds an application for you without writing code or learning programs. And comparatively with traditional coding, we need months to learn a programming language before we can start building an application, right? But here it's very easy. You just ask the AI, make me a quiz application or a game, and then that AI will build it in like 30 to 40 seconds, because before actually coding was for only engineers, but now more than 60% of vibe coding users are non-engineers, so using it to automate their daily tasks. And let me show you how it really works. I'm going to show you a demonstration today. So for this demonstration, we are going to use a free tool called Google AI Studio, and you don't need to install anything. You don't need a credit card as well. You literally just need a Google account. And I'm going to build a very simple quiz application today. And then the important part, I'm going to show you how to make it better, because that's the secret part of vibe coding. The first version uh, is never perfect, so but we can easily improve it using this vibe coding. All right, so let me share my screen. Okay, great. So here it is. So on the left we have the chat box. You actually type your idea here and then you just click build. And now watch this. I'm going to type exactly what I want here. Okay, so I'm going to ask this to create a quiz application about vibe coding, about the same topic, today's topic, that actually can test whether people understand the basics of vibe coding or not. And I would like to ask this to use four multiple choice questions. Very simple. And then I hit the build button. Okay, and then see, it is thinking. Okay, so look at this. It created a full interface. So there is a start button and the questions and the multiple choices. So if I click choose a wrong answer, and it shows. So if you can see, it actually shows the correct answer. And then I click next, it moves to the next question. So this took just about 40 to 45 minutes only, no coding at all. So now let's say if I don't like this, maybe the questions are too easy, or I want to make it 5 choices instead of 4, or I want to make it look better. So I just tell this AI to change, what to change. Okay, so here we have on your left hand side, if you see, you have this chatbot. You can continue to ask this. So I'm going to ask this, make the question more challenging and add explanations after each answer. Okay, so let's check this out. Well, in this case I will be sharing, just a moment. Okay, so here this part. Okay, so I thought I could show you the live one, but just a moment, let me reshare again the screen. Okay, so this part here. Okay, so I think I have to show you the other one. Okay, it's ready to show. Okay, I'm going to share this. Okay, so this one, after I asked this to make the questions more challenging and explanation after each answers. So this is what I get. Start the quiz, and then let me choose any wrong answers. Oh, okay. And then can you see? This is how it works. So now it actually explains why the answer is correct, and that's actually super useful for a training tool. So you can even say, make the text bigger, or use a white background or a colorful background with white text or a black text. So that's the magic of this vibe coding. You don't need to know the CSS or the design principle. So you just say, make it more readable, and the AI figures it out. So, and then we have this device compatibility. So to check device compatibility here, if you go here, so to see how it looks on a different devices, we have this option here. So here, so this is the current size, the mobile size, and then the tablet. And there is the code as well here. And then the remix. So here you can change the name and the description, but to publish it, everything it is free, But to publish this, you need to set up a billing account. So, for example, if I have a seminar or a presentation tomorrow, so I actually can use this quiz in my training session. I could, sir. And I actually can make similar kind of quizzes or any games uh, in about 5 minutes while I'm having my breakfast or drinking coffee. So that's the whole point. Anyone can build something, maybe not a huge system, but a very simple application that actually solve real problems. Well, so here, what you just saw is today just the level one. There are actually four levels. The first one, actually, we have to make it usable. So, like what we did, add features, improve designs, and make it work for your needs. And I think that is enough actually for 80% of use cases. And then the next level, level two, will be like make it repeatable, where you save the results and then you export the data and then you use the same for multiple times. This is actually great for weekly reports or ongoing projects. And then the third one will be make it automatic, like you run it on schedule, send notifications, and then trigger the action. So, and then the last one will be the level four. You have to make it learn. It improves based on the feedback or and adapts over time. So that's how an AI agent works. Okay, so this vibe coding series, today's vibe coding series, this is a four-part vibe coding series. So today it was just the beginning and the introduction and the first demonstration I showed you. And then the next session, we are going deeper into practical business applications. We will build a new application and we'll look at real-world business use cases. So that's it for today. So if you really want to dive deeper, so we have got more sessions coming up, so where we will build more complex things. Okay, Kimoto-san, that's
Hmm.
all from my side today.
Okay, thank you.
Any
I have a question.
Yes, Kimoto-san, please.
Uh, in these days, there are many Bible coding environment too.
Yes, exactly.
Today, Yuba showed us Google AI Studio for Bible coding tool.
Yes, Kimoto-san.
Why you choose AI Google AI Studio?
Because I feel it is easy and friendly, Kimoto-san.
Isn't friendly.
And
Okay.
yes, and we do not need to use our credit card to register for it.
Okay. Okay.
And everyone is using Google. So even non-engineers, so they actually could able to find this
Hmm.
Google AI Studio easily. That's the reason.
Okay. That's a reasonable. Okay. Thank you. That's all from your side.
Yes.
Okay. I thank you everybody for joining this session. Today you showed us the AI Google AI Studio uh, to introduce vibe coding. So next
Mhm.
week you will show us more detail of the vibe coding. Thank you for
Yes,
today's
about the
show.
business applications.
Hi, goodbye everybody.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us and see you next Sunday with another interesting AI topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you.